You know, in magic, just like in books and in movies and in literature and art, there is a thing called a classic.
Okay.
This, for example, is a classic of magic. It's a deck of cards, all of which are mixed up. There's black cards, red cards, club, heart, spade, and diamond. You can really truly and see them mixed up. Now, traditionally, this is a trick not done with a deck of cards. It's done with just a small packet of cards, which is what I'm going to use right over here.
Okay.
Now, this packet of cards has in it 3 cards that are red and 3 that are black. And the trick is an old trick where a magician mixes red and black cards just like that, red and black. Doesn't do any sleight of hand, no funny business. He picks up that pile, and when he does, all those cards have separated. So that's all red,
Okay.
and that's all black. Now, some people are not sure that they saw what they saw, so I want you to see. Onto the center of the table, I place a red card, no funny business, followed by a black. A red card, followed by a black. A red card, followed by a black.
Okay.
I don't do any moves,
I
no
saw it
strange sleight of hand. I leave it right there, I give it a shake, and if I've done my job right, when I spread those out,
Come on.
that's all separated, that's all red, and that is all black. Now, some people think it's me, but it's not. It's magic. You take those red cards, place any red card face down on the table.
Anyone?
Right in the center. On top of that, I place a black, you place a red. I place a black, you place a red. I place a black. I don't do any sleight of hand. No funny moves, no strange stuff, just a little shake. And when I do that, believe it or not, they all separate. That's all red, and that is all black.
That's crazy.
I think so too. And that's why that's a classic. Of course, that's the easy part of the classic. The hard part has always been to take the entire deck of cards, shake it over that packet, and to make every single card separate, all red, every single one, all black, completely and totally separated. And that is what makes that a classic of magic.
That's